I strongly believe that best way to learn is by doing it. So I believe in most of my classes which I teach in the area of information systems and business analytics, I tend to give a lot of live projects where students engage in different areas. For example, let's say there is a course on Excel modeling. So we give them diverse data sets and ask them to analyze data sets using different functions, tools and applications of Microsoft Excel, because that is the best way by which I believe students can inculcate whatever the learning outcomes of a course are. We have introduced this course on artificial intelligence, and as well as we have brought together a few more courses on analytics from different areas of management, including marketing analytics, financial analytics. Then we have a course on human resource metrics and analytics. Also for specialization, people who want to get into credit risk as well as financial modeling. So we have specialized courses such as corporate valuation and financial modeling and credit risk analytics.